Welcome to 2 Minute Science with Dr. John, where we cover a science concept in under 2 minutes. That way, if you want to watch it again, it won't take too long. Now, in this video, we will look at Newton's first law of motion. Now, Newton's 3 laws of motion all deal with the effect force has on the motion of an object. The first law states that if an object is moving at a constant velocity, or not moving, meaning its velocity is zero, then its velocity won't change unless an outside force acts on it. Now, velocity is a vector. We indicate it with an arrow on top. That means it has both magnitude, which we call speed, and direction. For example, 5 meters per second. 5 meters per second is just speed. But 5 meters per second eastward is velocity, because it has both speed and direction. Now, if an object is at rest, its velocity is zero and is constant. All right, so we have an object here, and it's not moving. Now, for it to move, we must apply a force to it, so its velocity will no longer be zero. So if we have a force that acts on it, it'll move with velocity. Now, if an object is moving with a constant velocity, so we have an object here, and it has a velocity that's constant, okay? And then it speeds up or slows down, that's a result of an external force being applied to it because its velocity is changed. So if its velocity suddenly gets bigger, that's because we had a force pushing it in that direction. But if its velocity slows down, that's because we have a force acting in the opposite direction. Now, if an object is moving at a constant velocity, but it suddenly changes its velocity, even though the speed stays the same, the velocity changes. It's changed direction. That's because some force acted upon it. Now, every object usually has multiple forces acting on it. If we add up all of those forces, let's say it's force 1, force 2, force 3, force 4. If we add them all up, force 1 plus force 2 plus force 3 plus force 4, that gives us our net force. If the net force is zero, the velocity of the object will remain constant. If the net force is not zero, then the velocity of the object will change. And that's what Newton's first law is all about. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and subscribe, and have a great day.